Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI, and what I have here is Burt's Bees Squeezy Tinted Balm gift set. This comes in a pack of 3, and it comes with these different colors: Sweet Peach, Watermelon Rush, and Berry Sorbet. I really love Burt's Bees products because they're natural, and of course they're made with beeswax, responsibly sourced beeswax, and so that's really important. And I also like that these glide on so smooth, and you have 3 different colors here. My favorite smell is the Watermelon Rush. It smells just like watermelon, and it has a really nice reddish hue to it, and it glides on so smooth. The next one, the Sweet Peach, has more of a muted color to it, also a really wonderful scent. And the last one, Berry Sorbet, is more of a mauve color, and it also smells just amazing. So I can't recommend these enough. I love Burt's Bees products. These balms really last pretty much all day. If I apply it, after eating and drinking, then it's going to really last you, and it moisturizes. It's a great product. It's a wonderful company, but that's just my point of view.